Good morning, boys and girls. I know you finished your nonfiction reading and writing unit, so we're going to be moving back into reading fiction stories, but this time it's going to be a book series, and the writing that's going to go with that is opinion writing. And I know that you started doing opinion writing at the end of February, and it continued up until we left school in mid-March. I'm not sure you remember all of the things that your teachers taught you, so we're going to do a little review about that. The opinion writing will be in the form of a friendly letter. So I'm going to show you the format of a friendly letter and the different things that you need to include. So let me share my screen with you. And like I said, I really hope that you do remember most of the things that I'm sharing with you today. I know you did them with your class. Okay. So opinion writing, sharing our opinions through letter writing. Uncovering our opinions about books and ways that you can do that as a writer is studying the characters, favorite parts in the book, using the pictures to gain information, or even using the book cover or the title of the book. You will write an opinion letter about a character or your favorite part of the story. And as you do that, you need to remember these things. First, you need to give reasons to support or explain your opinion. You'll need to use words like one reason is because. Use the pictures to help you learn more details about the character to help you support your opinion. Lots of clues in the pictures. You're going to follow this friendly letter format as you do your writing. And I think you've probably seen this more than you realize. If you had a teacher anytime in kindergarten, first or second grade, who did a morning message, they set it up in this format. It says up here date. Really, this part is called the heading, but it is the date. So in a friendly letter, you start with the date, you're going to capitalize the month, you have a comma after the day, and then the year 2020. The next section is the greeting. That's where you say hello. So, dear second grade readers, comma. If these were names in here, you would have capitals, but dear always gets a capital, and you're always going to put the comma. So, dear second grade readers is the greeting. The main part of the letter is called the body, and that's where you share your opinions. This is a quick letter. Yours will probably be a lot longer. You might have 2 or 3 pages, depending on just how many examples you use or just how strong your opinion is. When you're through, you will have a closing and a signature. They stack one on top of the other. I know a lot of times kids will put their name right next to the closing, but they actually, the capital letter should line up one on top of the other. This is pretty simple. It just says from. You might put sincerely, yours truly, your friend, and then you have a comma, and underneath you will sign your name, and it just can be printed. As you write your opinion in the body of the letter, you should include the following information. And this is what I was mentioning before. There's kind of a lot here. First, you need a lead. And in the first few sentences, this is what your lead should contain. You must state your opinion, tell the character's name, or tell your favorite part, and you would include the book title. Okay, so you have to state your opinion, character's name and book title, or state your opinion, the favorite part, and the book title. Then you move on and give reasons for your opinion. This is the evidence from the text or examples to support your opinion. These examples will help prove your opinion to the reader. You will use linking words to connect your reasons to your examples. And here's some examples of linking words: because, also, and, for example, or another reason. And then, of course, you'll have an ending. Your last sentence should remind the reader of your opinion. Let me unshare here. So, boys and girls, you're going to be writing an opinion letter today, and you're going to be using that format. And if you have trouble remembering some of the details that I shared with you, you can always go back to this slide presentation and pause it on the page that had the lead and all of the things that you needed as you write your letter about creature. Oh my goodness, I'm trying to remember the name of it. Hold on, I have to remember the title. Creature Campers. I found this series on Epic, and I think you will enjoy it. The characters seem like a lot of fun, so you should have a pretty easy time finding a character to write about or a favorite part to write about. Just remember, you're going to be using that letter format and then make sure you not only have all of the parts, but that you make sure you add examples and give reasons to support your opinion. Have fun writing today.